Are you struggling to lose weight and wondering where to start? If so, you're in the right place. Let's first understand what weight loss really is. It's a process that involves reducing body mass, primarily by burning off excess fat. But why is this important? Well, carrying excess weight can lead to a host of health complications, including heart disease and diabetes. It can also affect your mental well-being, leading to issues like low self-esteem and depression. But remember, weight loss isn't just about shedding pounds or looking good in a mirror. It's about feeling good, enhancing your overall health, and paving the way for a longer, more fulfilling life. The journey to weight loss might not always be easy, but it's definitely worth it. After all, nothing beats the feeling of being in great health and loving the body you're in. Understanding the importance of weight loss is the first step towards a healthier you. Before you embark on your weight loss journey, setting realistic goals is crucial. Now, what do we mean by realistic goals? It's easy to say, I want to lose 20 pounds in a month. But is that achievable? More importantly, is it healthy? The answer is a resounding no. Losing weight is not about drastic changes or overnight transformations. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that can have a significant impact over time. So, let's talk numbers. According to health experts, losing 1 to 2 pounds per week is a healthy and achievable goal. This might not sound like much, but over time it adds up. Let's say you aim for a pound a week. That's 4 pounds a month, 24 pounds in 6 months, and 48 pounds in a year. Quite significant, isn't it? And all this while maintaining a healthy and balanced lifestyle without resorting to extreme diets or exhausting workout regimes. Remember, weight loss is a journey, not a sprint. It's not about how fast you can reach your goal, but how you can maintain it in the long run. It's about creating a healthier version of yourself, not just a thinner one. It's easy to get discouraged if the scale isn't moving as fast as you'd like, but remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. Each pound you lose is a step towards a healthier you. Celebrate every little victory and don't be too hard on yourself if you have a bad day or week. It's also important to remember that everybody is different. What works for one person might not work for another, so don't compare your journey to others. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your own victories. So, set your goals, but make sure they are realistic and achievable. They should be challenging enough to motivate you, but not so hard that they discourage you. Remember, it's not about the speed, but the consistency in your weight loss journey. No weight loss journey can be successful without incorporating healthy eating habits. Let's delve into the concept of healthy eating. It's not about stringent limitations, staying unrealistically thin, or depriving yourself of the foods you love. Rather, it's about feeling great, having more energy, improving your outlook, and stabilizing your mood. Now, imagine a plate divided into 4 sections. 2 sections should be filled with fruits and vegetables, 1 with grains, and the other with protein. This is a simple visualization of a balanced diet. It's crucial to consume a variety of foods from all food groups, as each group provides unique nutrients that your body needs. Fruits and vegetables, for instance, are packed with a myriad of vitamins and minerals that play a pivotal role in keeping your body healthy. They are also low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied without overeating. Grains, particularly whole grains, are an excellent source of energy and provide essential fiber, iron, and B vitamins. Proteins, on the other hand, are vital for building and repairing tissues, making enzymes and strengthening bones and muscles. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how much you eat. Portion control is a crucial part of healthy eating. Consuming too much of even healthy foods can lead to weight gain, so serving sizes matter. And let's not forget about water. Our bodies are about 60% water, which should be replenished regularly. Water plays a vital role in digestion, absorption, circulation, and even body temperature regulation. Plus, it can help manage your weight by making you feel full, so you're less likely to overeat. Lastly, remember that healthy eating is a journey, not a destination. It's about making gradual changes and learning what works best for you. It doesn't mean you can't have a cheat day or enjoy your favorite treats. It's about balance and making smarter choices more often. Eating healthy doesn't mean you have to sacrifice taste. It's all about making smarter choices. A healthy diet alone won't cut it. You need to get moving too. Now, let's dive into the crucial role of physical activity in weight loss. You see, when you exercise, your body burns calories. The more intense the activity, the more calories you burn, and the easier it is to keep your weight in check. But that's not all. Regular physical activity also helps boost your metabolism, improve your mood, and even reduce your risk of chronic diseases. So what types of exercises can aid in weight loss? First up, we have cardio exercises. These are exercises that get your heart rate up and make you breathe harder. Think running, swimming, cycling, or even brisk walking. Cardio exercises are great for burning a lot of calories in a short period. Next, we have strength training exercises. These are exercises that build muscle, such as weightlifting or body weight exercises like push-ups and squats. Building muscle is essential because muscle burns more calories than fat, even when you're resting. Then we have flexibility exercises. These might not burn as many calories as cardio or strength training, but they're still important. Flexibility exercises like yoga or stretching help keep your muscles limber and prevent injuries so you can keep exercising regularly. But remember, the best exercise for weight loss is the one you enjoy and can stick with. Not a fan of running? Try dancing? Not into weightlifting? How about yoga or Pilates? There's a world of options out there, so don't feel like you have to stick to the traditional gym workout. One more thing, don't get disheartened if you don't see results right away. Weight loss is a slow process, and it's normal to hit plateaus along the way. The key is to stay consistent and keep moving. So whether it's taking the stairs instead of the elevator, going for a bike ride, or hitting the gym, find ways to move more every day. Remember, every step counts in your weight loss journey. Every step, every move, every activity brings you one step closer to your goal. So what are you waiting for? Let's get moving. Did you know that lack of sleep and stress can hinder your weight loss efforts? Yes, you heard it correctly. An often overlooked aspect of weight loss is the role that sleep and stress management play. Let's start with sleep. When we are sleep deprived, our bodies experience changes in hormone levels, specifically the hormones responsible for hunger and fullness. Ghrelin, the hormone that signals hunger, increases, while leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases. This imbalance can lead to overeating and consequently weight gain. Moreover, lack of sleep can also slow down your metabolism, causing you to burn fewer calories. So how can we improve our sleep? Establishing a sleep routine can be beneficial. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, even on weekends. It's also a good idea to limit exposure to electronic devices before bedtime, as the light they emit can interfere with your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Now let's talk about stress. When we are stressed, our bodies produce a hormone called cortisol, which can trigger cravings for sugary, fatty foods. This is often referred to as emotional eating, but there's more to it. High levels of cortisol can also cause your body to store fat, especially around the belly area. So how can we manage stress? Practicing mindfulness can be an effective strategy. This could mean engaging in activities like yoga or meditation, or just taking a few minutes each day to focus on your breathing. It's also important to have a healthy work-life balance and to make time for activities that you enjoy. In conclusion, while diet and exercise are crucial for weight loss, we must not overlook the importance of good sleep and stress management. Both are vital for maintaining a healthy metabolism and for preventing overeating. So, remember to get your zuzz and to keep your cool. A healthy lifestyle is not just about diet and exercise, but also about taking care of your mental health. Let's quickly revisit what we've learned today. We started with understanding the importance of weight loss, not just for aesthetics, but for overall health and wellness. We then moved on to setting realistic goals, because weight loss is not a race, and every individual has their own pace. We emphasized the importance of a balanced diet, as it fuels our bodies and nourishes us from within, playing an essential role in weight management. Next, we underscored the role of physical activity, reminding ourselves that movement is medicine, and it helps in burning calories and enhancing our mood. Lastly, we discussed the importance of good sleep and stress management. Our bodies repair and rejuvenate during sleep, and managing stress helps in avoiding emotional eating, thus aiding weight loss. Remember, weight loss is a journey, and each small step you take brings you closer to your goal. You've got this.